and makeup lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here again and welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing another makeup for Halloween. This is part of my 31 Days of Halloween challenge. So make sure you check out my previous videos and come back tomorrow for another Halloween makeup. If you want to know how I turn into this broken, cute doll, kind of creepy though, keep watching and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. The first thing I want to do, or you want to do if you do this makeup, is you want to start with your eyebrows. You want to block them out so you can paint over them. Don't be blurry! Okay, so for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use glue stick. And you want to put the glue stick on your eyebrows and you want to brush the glue stick up so that your eyebrows are as flat as possible. So once you've put on the glue, you want to grab a compact powder, and I recommend a compact powder that is not worth a lot of money because the glue is going to ruin it a little bit, like a sponge. So you use a sponge and compact powder and you're going to go and tap it on your eyebrow. Press hard and then remove it going upward. You see? Like this. And you repeat until you have powder all over your eyebrow. If it's not covered enough, you can put on a second coat of glue. Okay, now I'm going to put on the foundation. I have mixed my everyday foundation with white cream paint so that I have a more like porcelain looking skin tone. Okay, now I'm going to set the paint and foundation with loose powder. Okay, now I will, I think I will do, I don't know, a little bit of contouring. Or should I do my eyebrows? Maybe I will draw my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. I'm blurry. Why am I blurry? Is it because I'm too ugly? Come on. Oh, come on. Jesus. Okay, so I'm using water activated paint and in the color of brown. Okay, so I look a little bit less weird now that I have eyebrows, but I still look weird because they're not real eyebrows. But that's the point, right? You want to look like a doll. So anyway, I'm going now to go in and do some contouring and blush and highlight. Now I'm going to put on blush. I have trouble speaking today. A very pink one. Sorry about the train. Pink blush, and instead of putting where I put it usually like here on my cheeks, I'm going to make it really doll looking. I'm going to make it like a circle here. Alright, now let's move on to the eye makeup. Obviously, I've done this one, Captain Obvious. And now I'm gonna do the other one. So, the first thing I will do is I will put on primer. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics White Primer. Now for the eyeshadow base, I'm going to use the... fell into my tea, great. I'm going to use the blush that I used on my cheeks and a round brush like this. Now for the outer corner of my eye, I'm using this darker shade. It's got pink in it, so that's why I'm using it. And it's shimmery, so I really, really like it. And I'm gonna put it in the corner here and also down here on the root of my lashes. Okay, now I'm putting on mascara. Now I will do the eyeliner so that when I put on my false eyelashes they blend in like nicely. Stop. Alright, now before I put on the false eyelashes, I'm going to use a white crayon, sorry about that, and put it on my waterline and on the roots of my eyelashes. Now the lashes. Makes my eyes so big. It's weird. Okay, now I'm gonna do the lower part of my eye, and I'm starting with pink eyeshadow, the same I put on my lid. Now, to make my eye look bigger, I'm going to put the white eyeliner on the roots of my lashes. Now with black eyeliner, I will accentuate the white line that I just drew under my eye. And now I'm going to use the same dark eyeshadow that I put on my crease, this one, and I'll put it right under the black line, or slightly on top of it, and what the f— Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. Now, before I do the lips, I want to go back on the contouring and add this holographic powder to kind of like highlight it a bit more. And also because I really love this product, it's so beautiful. Okay, now time for a pouty mouth. I have picked two lipsticks. I'm not sure which one I want to use. I think this one is going to be too vivid, too bright for the eye makeup that I've gone for. And I think this one is more, you know, goes more with the whole look. So I'm going to go a little bit over my lips and under, but not too much. I don't want to look like a Bratz doll, sorry. And I'm gonna shape it a little bit so that it looks a little bit pouty and like a cute doll, like this, but not duck face, just a little bit cute. Okay, now using black eyeshadow, I'm going to enhance this pouting mouth illusion by adding a little bit of black hair in the corner of my mouth, in the corners of my mouth. Alright, so I'm done with the beauty look, and now it's time for the fun part, the cracks of the doll. I was thinking about putting one here, like a big hole here, and maybe like a crack that goes along my forehead and nose, and it turns here and opens a little bit, but not as big as here. And I think that is it. But let's start with the first hole. So for the hole, I don't know. What do I need? Good question. I think I'm gonna use my eyeliner to shape the hole, because the edges of the hole are gonna be black, so I can use this safely. And then I will use other colors for the 3D effect. Now I'm gonna fill in the crack here with black water activated paint. Now I'm going to set the paint with black eyeshadow. Okay, now for the illusion part, you know, so that it looks like a crack and you can see it like it's in 3D. I'm going to add eyeshadows on the edges to make the whole like pop and look 3D. I don't know how else to explain it, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to use white eyeshadow and set the paint here. This is really oily and it's going to be hard for me to apply any shadow on it. And now with an angle brush, I'm going to darken the edge of the white line. I'm using brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to make this motion like this, down. Okay, now I'm going to create the opposite effect here with white eyeshadow. So I'm done with this crack for now, because at the end I'm going to add white to make it shine more. But now I'm going to move on to the second crack, the one that goes from up there down to my nose and then cracks here. Okay, I'm done. Oh, what happened here? I don't know what I did. Okay, so, sorry. I'm done with this crack here, and now I'm gonna add smaller cracks all over my face. Okay, I'm almost done. I want to add one last crack here. Not as dark as those two, but I want it to look like it's starting to crack, but you can still see the doll face, but there's not a hole in it. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's gonna be less dark. I think you will understand when you see it. I'm almost finished. Now I will do all the shiny parts of my face with white paint. Alright, we are done. I'm done. We're done with the makeup. Now I'm going to paint these shapes in, I think, in pink, and I will make a bow. A bow? Is it called a bow? You know, that I will put on my head, on a headband. Okay guys, I am finished at last. I just want to put on contacts. I'm not sure it's a good idea because I've already done the makeup and professionals will tell you to put the contacts on before the makeup. But because I'm not allergic to them, but I don't really do well with contacts, they tend to hurt me, I decided to put them at the last minute. So hopefully it's not gonna make me cry and ruin the makeup. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you had fun watching this tutorial. I loved creating this doll. This is the second time that I do a cracked doll. The first one was 3 years ago. It was one of my first makeups and it looks like this. I am really happy because I've improved. I mean, it would have been a little bit sad if I hadn't improved in 3 years, right? But anyway, I will not talk very long because it's 100 degrees today. Probably 120 with my lights on. So I'm sweating and I don't want to ruin the makeup in front of you guys. So just thank you very much for watching, and as I said, come back tomorrow for another Halloween makeup. Bye!